Hi, I'm Phil Cohen from HCI. All but the smallest business has an organisation chart. The problem is no org chart actually tells you how the business operates. All the org chart tells you is who reports to who. It tells you nothing about the relationships in your business. For that you need a different type of chart called a customer-supplier map. This video will show you how to create one of those. The idea behind the customer supplier map is that there's a template we all use for our relationships in business. In any relationship, one party is the customer and the other is the supplier. The easiest place to see this is, of course, with external customers and external suppliers. We all know what the expectations are with those relationships, but those types of relationships occur inside your organization as well. Look at the relationship between, say, sales and logistics. Normally in that relationship, sales is the customer and logistics is the supplier. The relationship that sales has with logistics is similar to the relationship your organization would have with any external supplier. Sales relies on logistics to deliver goods. The requirements for those deliveries flow from sales to logistics. We show that flow of requirements as an arrow in a customer supplier map like this. Let's say your logistics department uses an outside shipping company. You could add them to the map like this. And who is a customer to your sales department? Well, your external customers, of course, so we'll add them as well. The broken line just shows the boundary of the organization. Unlike an org chart, this customer supplier map tells you something about who works together in your organization and who the customer in each of those relationships is. Notice that the arrow shows the flow of requirements, not the flow of goods or services. For example, your external customers don't provide goods or services to your sales department, but they do provide requirements. Let's look at a bigger example. Here's an org chart. Pretty conventional, showing who reports to who. It doesn't tell you anything about who actually works with who. For that, you need this customer supplier map. You can see the flow of requirements from the customers, external customers at the top, to the external suppliers at the bottom. Let me know if you need help with any of this.